Whoa! Hey! Look what you made me do!
Sure!
What on earth are you doing?
Trust the process, honey. I know what I'm doing. Art at its best.
That's not art.
Duh, because I'm not done yet. You gotta look at it from this other angle. So, do you see it yet? I'm drawing two besties. This could be us, but in Hosier's words, you're too goth for me. Consider this my gift to you.
Ew, it's too colorful and bright for my taste. I'll fix it.
No! Stop trying to ruin my drawing!
Ugh!
You always do this!
Whoa!
Wow. Huh? Ooh, look at those. All pink, just as I like. Consider me inspired. I'll get to work. I'm gonna freestyle.
Yikes. Looks like you lost your talent. Huh? So impressive!
I know, right?
This is a masterpiece. Please accept this reward for your creative work.
Ooh.
Huh? I'll take that. I can't let you win. Hope this heart has life insurance. Love hurts. Literally. And just like that, it's gone. Ooh. Sorry, not sorry. Now watch how the pros do it. Love fades, but stars shine forever. This piece! It speaks to my soul!
My turn to ruin your moment. Who's laughing now? Uh-oh, would you look at that?
Shocking! I didn't think you had it in you to do this. But guess what? You just did half my work for me. Oh, these scraps? They'll be legendary. So visionary.
Aww.
It's done. Harder start. 2 sides, 2 vibes. Amazing! I'll buy it. I'll pay everything I have to make it mine.
Sell it.
Gladly. Sold. Perfect. Just perfect. Bye.
So, can I get my share?
No.
You might want to reconsider.
Okay, fine. You made your point.
Good. I've already started my next project.
Somebody's jealous of my star. I'm watching you fail miserably.
Can I have some of that?
Of these? Sure.
Wow, thanks! Here goes nothing! Whoa! I did fail miserably. At catching candy, at least. Just one. Please, just one. My sweet tooth is left high and dry. All of them are gone. Aww. Why is gravity so rude?
Ooh.
Someone write a sad song for me.
Ugh, that was hard to watch. But she actually achieved something. She'll see it if she stops crying. Anyway, I'll do the real work for her. She's in for a sweet surprise. Guess I'm her dark fairy godmother today. Ugh, my hands are infected with color. I'm gonna wash them 5 times after this is done. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. But like everything I do, this looks awesome too.
Wow! I'll take that.
Wait.
Thanks for your help and inspiration. Now I'm gonna make one for you. I'm trying to pick colors you might actually tolerate. I know you like purple, though, so you can't deny that.
Wow, a goth labubu. I admit, I really dig this. We're really good at this, huh? So hot.
Look! Gotcha! Woo! Woo! The force is strong with this one! Well, guess I deserved that. Ooh! Whoa! I know what to do! Good thing I saved these ice cream sticks. The frame? Done. Now the fun part. Steady hands. One wrong snip and it's a caterpillar. Now watch this part carefully. It's a magic trick in progress. Isn't this amazing?
Wow. Alright, little butterfly. Let's help you spread those wings. So cool. Alright, my turn. Bat-tastic and beautiful. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
candy vibes.
Yeah. Wait, ew! Is that lunch from 3 hours ago? Here, use these.
Oops. Oh well.
Catch this! Whoa. Aha! I have an idea. Minty fresh masterpiece coming right up. This is the only time you'll see me use pink paint. Time to carve out some killer shapes. Now let's see what dark wonders I can summon from these shapes. A tiny Barbie dream house conjured by yours truly. Your sky's too sweet. Let me darken it a bit. Preparing the canvas for sweet weather. I'm just gonna borrow these. For art. Hey, no! I'll get you a new candy bracelet, I promise. This is giving Hansel and Gretel. Art this sweet should come with a warning label. Art collaboration complete. You're welcome.
Wow, thank you. Let me return the favor. Every candy cottage needs a spooky twin. Welcome to the witching hour edition. I'm making the same house, but after dark. Your crown's got great building materials. This is a sugar castle with bite. Installed a star force for protection. So, what do you think?
Wow, I totally live here.
And
Thank
I'm
you.
here. This is the worst day ever. My goldfish, my Nemo is missing.
Huh? I'm craving seafood today. Fresh is best.
Hey!
What?
Tell me that's not my Nemo. He's off limits. My poor baby, I saved you.
Okay, I didn't know he was family. Sorry.
Oh. I'll give you something to play with. I'm gonna need a few of these. First Fishy will be ocean blue. One tiny dab of glue is all it takes to give it a tail that looks like seaweed.
Enough candy for today. Huh?
Looking for the lid? Well, I gave it gills. I call this a fantastic design. All right, time for the fishing rod. I mean, if she wants to fish, I'll give her something to fish with. Magnet style. Try it before you judge.
Oh, I see. Let's see how many poor little fishies I can snatch. Careful, my next catch might be you. Okay, we kept the best for last.
We sure did.
You might want to run to the hobby store after this.
Yes.
Cause the second I'm done, I know you're gonna steal my idea. This is my kind of meditation. Nothing like a little brushwork to calm the soul. Done. Let's move on to the second step. Oh, that's good. And now the most satisfying part. There. Texture, depth, and drama, all in one squish. Art critics call this technique abstract pop-pressionism. Looks like I just painted a whole garden. Flowers that only wake when the stars are out. Morticia Adams would totally hang this in her living room.
Wow, and Nid would too, because those flowers are pretty with a capital P. Now let me show you my pro art hack.
Guess who's buying more glue tomorrow?
Me. Adding a splash of sunshine to the mix. Doesn't look like much yet, huh? Just watch. Trust the process. This canvas is about to bloom. This might test your patience a bit, though. Voila! Flowers you can't smell but can totally admire.
Join us. Subscribe.